Inventory control is a term that might sound dry or overly technical, but let me tell you, it's the lifeblood of any successful business, especially for small businesses. Have you ever walked into a store only to find that the item you wanted was out of stock? Frustrating, right? That's a classic case of inadequate inventory control at work. In today's fast-paced world, where customer expectations are sky-high, understanding inventory control is not just a business necessity, it's a game changer. So, what exactly is inventory control? At its core, it's all about managing what you have in stock. It's about knowing what's on your shelves, what needs to be ordered, and when. Picture this. You run a small boutique, and you've just received a shipment of the latest trendy shoes. You're excited, but if you don't track how many pairs you have and how quickly they're selling, you could end up with too many or too few. Too many shoes? You're tying up cash that could be used elsewhere. Too few? You risk losing sales and worse, disappointing customers who might never return. Now, let's break this down a bit. Effective inventory control involves collecting data from various sources: purchases, reorders, shipping, warehousing, customer satisfaction, and even loss prevention. It's a comprehensive approach that encompasses everything from procurement to storage to sales. Imagine having a system that tells you not just what's in stock, but also what's selling and what's sitting idle. That's the power of a good inventory control system. One of the most significant benefits of effective inventory control is visibility. When you have a clear view of what you have, you can optimize your inventory levels. This means you can reduce storage costs and avoid stockouts, those dreaded moments when a customer walks in, ready to buy, only to find that you don't have what they're looking for. Did you know that Walmart estimated they lost out on $3 billion in sales in 2014 due to stockouts? That's a staggering number, and it underscores just how critical inventory control is. The ultimate goal of inventory control is twofold. Keep enough inventory on hand to meet customer demand and avoid overstocking, which can lead to cash flow issues. Think of it as walking a tightrope. You want to balance having enough stock to satisfy your customers without drowning in excess inventory that could spoil or become outdated. When done right, inventory control can be a powerful tool for businesses, allowing them to assess their current state regarding assets and financial health. Now, let's talk about the tools of the trade. You might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I even start? Well, it can be as simple as using a spreadsheet or as sophisticated as implementing advanced inventory management software. The key is to find a solution that works for your business size and needs. For small businesses, starting with something like basic inventory software can be incredibly beneficial. It can help track stock levels, generate reports, and even alert you when it's time to reorder. But inventory control isn't just about the technology, it's also about the processes. For instance, consider how you receive and store your products. When new items come in, have a system in place to scan barcodes or RFID tags. This ensures that every product is accounted for and stored in its designated area. An organized warehouse isn't just a nice-to-have. It's essential for efficient inventory management. And let's not forget about customer satisfaction. A well-managed inventory means that when customers come looking for a product, you can deliver. Studies show that 62% of customers have stopped doing business with a brand due to poor customer service, with many citing out-of-stock items as a primary reason. If you want to keep your customers happy and loyal, you need to ensure that they can find what they're looking for when they walk through your doors or click that Buy Now button. Now, let's address a common misconception. Inventory control is only for large companies. That couldn't be further from the truth. Small businesses, in particular, can benefit immensely from robust inventory control practices. According to David Pike, an expert in inventory and production management, many small businesses have a lot of their funding tied up in inventory. By managing it smartly, they can free up cash for other essential areas of their business. One effective method that small businesses can adopt is just-in-time production, which means only producing or ordering what's needed when it's needed. This approach minimizes excess inventory and helps maintain a steady cash flow. It's all about being strategic and proactive, rather than reactive. Let's also take a moment to discuss the different types of inventory control systems. There are two main types, periodic and perpetual. The periodic system involves counting inventory at regular intervals, while the perpetual system continuously updates inventory levels in real time. While the periodic system can be easier to manage, especially for smaller businesses, the perpetual system offers more accuracy and immediate insights into stock levels. Now, if you're ready to take your inventory control to the next level, consider implementing barcodes or RFID technology. These tools can streamline your inventory tracking processes and reduce errors. With barcodes, you can quickly scan items in and out, which saves time and reduces the chances of human error. RFID tags take it a step further by allowing you to track inventory without needing a direct line of sight. Imagine walking through your warehouse and instantly knowing how many of each item you have on hand. But let's not forget that technology is only part of the equation. You also need to train your staff. Make sure they understand the importance of accurate inventory tracking and how to use the systems you put in place. Empowering your team with the knowledge and tools they need will pay off in the long run. As we wrap up, remember that effective inventory control is not just about keeping track of what you have. It's about making informed decisions that drive your business forward. It's about ensuring that you have the right products available at the right time, which leads to happier customers and ultimately, increased profits. So, whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting, take the time to invest in inventory control. Your bottom line will thank you.